of new beginners traders find it hard to differentiate between change of character and break of structure. Some call it shift of structure and some call it shift of structure, some call it change of character. So in today's video, I'll be explaining and doing the chart work of the differences between what change of character and break of structure. So without wasting much time, welcome back to this YouTube channel. My name is Akinwole Victor, aka V Street. What's my goal on this channel? My goal is to make unprofitable traders and traders struggling with consistency to be a consistent and a profitable trader. If this is your first time in this YouTube channel, kindly like, subscribe so you can stay updated always on any of my trading content that is being dropped. So without wasting much time, let's get into the chart and let's get started. So welcome back to the chart. So getting into the chart, let's discuss break of structure and change of character. All these two terms are two different things. We have change of break of structure, commonly known as BOS, and we hold on, I'm trying to type it out. Okay, yeah. I'm coming. Is it? Yeah. Okay, BOS, break of structure. Yeah. Where is the text? Sorry. Okay, let's make it 40 because that's what we're talking about today. Break of structure and change of character. So these two words is these two topics is what we are dealing with today, and I would like to share the differences between them. This break of structure, change of character, the terms comes out to play in when you are trying to identify your market trend. I don't know if you are with me. When you're trying to identify your market trends and you understand how the trend moves. The trends move in an uptrend by creation of series of higher highs. This is an higher high and higher low. Don't worry, let me just quickly differentiate. Let me quickly just draw it out. So we have creation of what? Higher low. Let me reduce the fonts now. We have creation of, that's too small. Creation of higher low. I think it's still small. Let me increase it to 20 pixel. I think this is better. Then we have higher high. Sorry. Creation of higher high. Then let me just clone this. Don't waste much time. I think this is okay. Higher highs here. But let me clone this also. Clone. So we have higher low. We have higher low. So we have the creation of higher high. This is our higher high. This is an higher low. So one thing I want you to know that when these are being created, when the market is pushing in a trend, okay, let me have the downtrend also by the side, so we can have that explanation. It's just a very short video, just to give the clarity. Good. So in a downtrend, I'm sure you know how downtrends are, and if you are not getting what uptrends and how downtrends are, I have a video and I'll drop it in my description box, and I can actually also still drop it as a video card at the end of the video that will teach you how you can identify market structure cleanly. So in this video, I believe you understand the clean market structure, understanding how higher highs are formed and how higher lows, or how lower lows are formed and how lower highs are being formed. So I'm just choosing to believe that. And if you've not, just go down to the description box. You see, I'll drop a link to one of my videos where I was discussing market structure, so you can learn from that. We have this, and we have this lower low, then lower high. Like I said, it's just a very short video to give you clarity on break of structure. Lower high. Then let me clone it. Clone. Yeah, good. So we have this is a market structure. This is an uptrend, and okay, let me even still write it down for us to get it properly. This is an uptrend. Let me increase the pixel. This is an uptrend, and this is going to be, this is a downtrend. You can see the market is pushing to the downside. This is a downtrend structure. Sorry. So this is a downtrend. So now, how do you identify the break of structure and the change of character here? So understanding break of structure first is understanding trend, either in an uptrend or in a downtrend. When the market is pushing up, when the market is trending in an upside, when the market is trending in an upside, meaning it's going in an uptrend, any structure it breaks there is known as a break of structure, because there is a structure level here which is your resistance level. There is also another structure. Anytime it creates a higher high, is a structure, is a very high resistance, and it means to be broken. That is why it is called break of structure. So as you're either in an uptrend or in a downtrend, price keeps moving up. It's actually, when you've identified the trend, as the price keeps breaking a previous resistance or a previous support, it is actually what? Having an uptrend. As the price is creating higher high, one thing you have to know, anytime the price is creating a higher high, what has happened is what? A BOS has occurred. Let me label it break of structure, break of structure, break of structure, BOS. Same as the downtrend. This downtrend, we have as the market now is breaking a level of structure which has been holding, which is your level of support. It's breaking down the structure. It's just a simple, clear term. Breaking what? Is breaking structure to the downside. So the price keeps what? Breaking structure to the downside. So in a downtrend, if a lower low is not being broken, there is no what? A break of structure. So sorry. So sorry. So you keep having what? Break of structure to the downside. Uptrend, downtrend. So you have that break of structure there. Anytime this break of structure, this structure is your level of support. This is a very strong level of support, and which when broken it will be used as a level of resistance. So as the price is going in a downtrend, as it keeps breaking if it's an uptrend, as it keeps breaking the resistance, it is what? Creating a break of structure. As it keeps trending to the upside, as it's trending to the downside, it's breaking a level of support and what? Pushing to the downside. So now, where does the change of character, how does it come to play? Like I said in the beginning of the video, I said change of character is also refers to what? As break of what? A change of character also refers as what? Shift of structure. Shift, some people call it, actually, I think shift of structure is the common one also people use. So what that means is, now, when you say change of character, now, what is happening here presently is a uptrend character, right? This is an uptrend character, and this also, where is this overshift? Is also a downtrend character. This is also a downtrend character. Uptrend character, a downtrend character. So now, if this uptrend character wants to switch to a downtrend, that is where that change of character opens, because you can't really tell somebody that yes, when the market changes to downside, you are still calling it what? Change, you are still calling it break of structure. No, even though we know that yes, a structure which is the support is at that level which is going to be broken. But now, if I keep saying break of structure, I'll think the market is possibly trending to the upside or trending to the downside. But if I say change of character to the downside, the person knows that yes, the previous higher low which is here is being broken, and will market switch towards the downtrend from there. And this is what? Change of character. Change of character or shift of structure. But to stay with uniform common term, which is change of character, we'll just stick to change of character here. I don't know if you are with me. So change of what? Of character. Change of character. The market is switching from what? A certain character is shifting. If the people that also call it shift of structure is also very correct. Shifting, the structure is shifting from an uptrend structure what to a downtrend structure. It's very clear. And now anything that now follows it now is now what? A break of structure. Anything that follows it now is a what? Break of structure. Because it's a switch to the downside and it's what? It keeps going what? To the downside. So before that change of character will happen in an uptrend, it has to break the previous lower high. So price has to break this level to switch what? To what? A down. It has to choose to a downtrend. It has to break the previous higher low. Now for the downtrend structure, which is the downtrend character, before this change of character needs to happen, it has to break the previous what? Lower high. This previous lower high must be broken. When this previous lower high is being broken, then the price switch towards a uptrend market structure. Then we keep having what? Creation of what? Higher low, higher high, higher low, and markets keep pushing what?